but just the primary lateral incisor still remain. Then in the center, let me check. Here, problem 2. Now you know how to read the panorama in here. Number 1, just start here. Any problem? Just the proximal carious here, and then treat it. I think no problem, right? Yeah. And the second circle right there. There is congenital missing, or major dense, or odontoma, whatever. Nothing, right? And the third circle, from here, maxillary sinus, and here there is some airway. Here there is some airway, and you can see second vertebra, third vertebra, fourth vertebra. That means flat means they are still young. If the vertebral shape is like that, get older. So second, third, fourth vertebra will be called. They mean almost 15 years old. So we can see like this way. Just there are a little bit small space for incisor. Whatever it looks like, then we can get. That's all the problem. Then the main chief complaint was crossbite and a little bit spacing. Spacing is can resolve automatically or not. That's why we have to mix the dentition analysis, space analysis. So in the cast, we can see easily and calculate the size hole inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So from now in your textbook, just maybe they have some at the end of the textbook, jump 156, maybe remember. They have some table, right? Right. Here. You have to write it. Get there. So, can you do space analysis for this one? Sorry. We will use Moira analysis, right? So, why the same? Okay, so preparation needs some this kind of caliper or this type caliper we need. And procedure number 1. Maximum radio distal width of each 4 maxillary, if be possible, maxillary anterior teeth. You can calculate, right? Here, right? So, number 2. And then, right here. Let me see. We don't have the cast. I will give you the number. Here, one size about 8.25, right? 2 is 8.4. 1, 2 about 7.9. Just an example, and 7.8. write your number 1. In your book, what is the 1? Can you might remember 8.5, 8.4, 7.8, 7.9, right? What is number 1? 80, right, correct? You already write down? Remember this number and this number finally here, but write down here, phone number is more useful. Let's go. Number 2, measure the maximum radius of width of roller. Here, 3.1 is about 7.1, 3.2 about 6.8, 4.1 about 7.3, this one about 6.4. 4, 7, 3, 7, 1, 6, 8. Then here, 27.6. All right. Right? See? Oh, sorry, 718, 9, sorry. My mistake. 27.71, 7.1, 6.8. So 13.9, right? 7.1, 6.8. 13.9. And 6.4, 7.3 in the, sorry, 13. Okay. So finally, 6, correct? 27.6. Sorry, 27. I have to go back. Oh my God. Okay, write down. You have to remember that. Number 2 is what? 27.6, right? And then, from now on, oh my God, 27.6, sorry. There's no, and there's no size here. So we have to reduce the size of mandibular for incisors. So let's go back. In this table, the maximum is here. The result was right there, 22.5. Okay, let's go back. The final answer was 22.5. So that means this one is 11.3, 11.3, and 7 and 6.8, 5.4, right? Then 6.7, 5.3. It means 6, right? Is it correct? Changing for incisor. 6.8, 5.4, 6.7, 5.6. Then the total is 22.5, right? It is missing? Maybe I have missing something? What? No, sorry. 11. Right? Then, right again? I have have to go back home. Yes, I changed it. Correct? Just imagine, right? Then finally we can go there. So the final result was 22.5, right? Then in the probability chart, maxillary 3 predictable 22.3. And in your, this is very simple. So always have 3. So 21.9, right? No, they have one. Sorry, I missed it. Now, understand? The first time we can find here. Sorry. This table a little bit different because I modified it easily to see. Anyway, if the mandible is here, you can find the maxillary 3.5 is here, mandibular 3.345 is here, right? You have to remember these two kind of number. 22.3. So number 3, what is that? Size of maxillary in the probability chart, 75%. What's the number? 22.3, right? Correct? Then, what is the required arc length? This is one side, right? The other side was 22.3, right? What's the number of maxillary incisor? You remember? 32.6. 32.6 was here, right? We don't need number 2, right? So required optimal space means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 appears is here. The other one is 22.3, 22.3. Divide 2 means 644, right? Here, and one is 32.6. 32.6 means 7, 7. Total 77.2, right? Remember, please. Right? So same procedure in the mandibular. Now we have to check the available space. This is the requirement space, right? And we will use the segment technique. It is very simple. So if the available space is, let me see, this is about 24.0. This is about 23.5. This is about 14.1, 14.5. So this is from 28.6, right? To calculate 47.5, 28.6. The result 1, 6, 7. Then available space is 76.1, right? Okay. Then 5 is 76.5. 76.5. What is the requirement space? 77.2, right? was, then the final result, what is the discrepancy? The result comes from requirement space minus available space, right? The final result was 627.7 plus. What is the meaning? We need space. How much? 0.7 millimeters. In the maxillary arch, they still have leeway space, right? That means it's possible to reserve by your leeway space. Then you can decide. You can wait till the exchanging the old teeth or not. You can decide right now. Or preventively you can enter and doing something in the period expansion of the maxillary arch. Yeah, you can decide. Just only 7.7 millimeters will be. This is possibility is 75%, right? That means 25% incorrect. But no problem, just can guess it. Then you can explain cause of from your 4 anterior teeth size, you can guess how much space you will leave when you exchange all teeth. This is what we do, mixed dentition space analysis. Then how about in the mandibular space? The same procedure. You have to write down in the mandibular space from now on. Let's do. You already remember the number, right? In the probability chart, you already know. Here, that's 1.9. Then you didn't know about the available space in here, right? Oh my God. That's all? If how much is the requirement space of the mandible? Maybe 21.9 in the anterior. This is a requirement space. 7? Yes, 75% is right there. And if yes, we can calculate the requirement space. If there's available space, maybe this is 24. This is 23.25. Maybe this is available space is original, right? What it says? 20 total. Total here 22.5. It's right there. Just for example. Then in the mandibular area, available space is 22.5 plus 23.5 plus 24.0. Then 13307, right? This is mandibular available space. Then the result is what? Okay, write in the book and take some photo and give me your result. How many space need or remain in the mandibular space? In the maxillary, 0.7 millimeters will be needed, right? I will give you available space in the mandibular. So your final result have to do by yourself now. Right here. Right here. Right here. Okay, right here. Right here by yourself. Right here. Here. Right here. Why you don't have any number? Here. Oh, here. In 156 pages, right? Oh yes, it's a very good. Assembly. No, nothing. Just write and send to me. I will test you. Never say. Just write and send me. Kind of. Take the photo and send me. Take some photo and send me. Yes, right here. And give your result. Okay, send me. Already? Yes, yellow is better. Okay, send me. Take and follow and send me. Because I would like examination about your knowledge about here. Yes, right here. Here also. Here also right here. Here also right here. Right, understand? You understand? Okay, hold the brain and send me. Good. Good job. 아침에 분명히 캐리퍼라는 소리를 챙겨듣는 Actually, in the morning, I prepared some model and vernier calipers, but I'm missing it. Sorry. I'd like to show you how to calculate the. Did you send all photo to me? When you send all, the final result was minus 3.7. Yes, minus 3.7 means remain space, right? Then we have to use rate measure shift. Then the plus terminal will be reserved class 1 relationship, molar relationship. So this is not yet very good. Anyway. Actually, to this program, I prepared 30 upper and lower 3D model with my 3D printers. But don't discuss each other.
Thì em thấy 2 cộng cộng cho 5 rồi cho 6 là phải đâu 4 này nhỏ các bạn 21.9 rồi đọc này thấy cái đó rồi cái số 5 với 2 cộng space.
Old mandibular. 66.3. Right?
Gì? Sáu này nha. Số là 70 này.
So, right? So final result in the macula was 0.7. In the mandibula minus 0.7. By a more 75% possibility chance, right? That is the result. Did you then go? Good. Good job. Wow! I have 29 friends. Good job, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. 1, 2, 2. My. Ken. Who is Ken? Jessie.
Giờ còn chụp luôn.
Oh, Jessie.
Hả? Để chụp không?
Hi, Jun. Okay, you're a friend. Okay, our check readers again. Any question about this today? From now on, we are moving to the right, dome, and take off your all clothes and prepare for going out for dinner.